If you want to set up a voicemail on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna open the phone app. In the phone app, we need to go to the dialer and press and hold number 1 in order to go to the voicemail to call it. There we go. Now, after that, you should be able to simply follow the instructions that you will hear and finish setting up the voicemail. In some cases, if you cannot reach the voicemail, it can be due to the incorrect voicemail number entered in the settings. So we can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Choose voicemail. Optionally select your SIM card if you have more than one. Go to advanced settings, then voicemail number, and over here we can adjust it. If you don't know what number you need to enter here, most likely you need to contact your carrier or service provider, or simply try to Google that information. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.